A nice guy.
Navigation started. Southeast, then in 100 feet turn right onto 4 Mile.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice place to live and to have children, family, because it's very quiet and there is no much of traffic here. And look,
Turn left
you have
onto
all the
Derrick
green.
Road, then in 400 feet arrive at the destination.
You have all
on your left.
the green areas you want around you, all the nature.
In 400 feet park on Derrick Road and destination is on the left. On Derrick Road and destination is on the left.
This is what I call the countryside. Oh, it is this house on the right. Okay. This is the countryside of this country. Small box. It's right. They have a gate, which is gonna be a little bit trouble. Alright, now the aims for you guys. Like this, you need to call them. If they are inside, they are gonna answer and open the door for you. If they are not there, hello. Very nice house. Amazing house with children. Hello.
Hello.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. That's what I mean when I told you, like, I have to pick up all the delivery locations by myself, because normally the application does that for me.
Southeast on Derrick Road, then in half a mile turn right.
In order, it makes it order like 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, that kind of numbering. But because it's messed up, so now I have to pick up them, to pick them up myself. For nothing, just because I'm coming from another direction, that's why I have to pick them up myself.
Then in 500 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
What a nice road.
In 500 feet arrive at the destination on your left. Arrive at the destination on your left.
Awesome. Look at that view, guys. Envelope number 3. Is it gonna be envelope? I don't think so. Nice house. Wow. Wow. That's what I call good investment. I don't think anyone is there.
Navigation started. Continue southwest.
All right, the next stop, the next delivery is gonna be for parcels.
Navigation started. Southwest. Then in 600
4 parcels
feet,
in one
to enter a private road.
in one delivery, which is 1 minute far away from here.
In 100 feet arrive at the destination on your right.
It is this house. I don't know why I feel like they have a dog.
Arrive at the destination on your right.
Yeah, now the car is ready for me to go. It is 3 boxes, 1 book folder. Book folder number 77, which is this one. Let's put these aside. Number 8, 37 and 38. Number 8, 37. 38 and 37. Number 8, 37 and no, that's 38. 83. 83. 37. And that one. Yeah, all in the same all in the same location. Oop. Now I have 8% of the power, so I'm gonna put the extended camera screen. Guys, I'm gonna see you in a while because the camera is hot now. Anyway, see you.